Good morning. Welcome to the video forecast discussion for April 26, 2016. Of course, thank you for following NY and JPA weather. We have a lot to talk about today with a very volatile weather pattern for today. So let's dive right into this. Currently, the observations are such that we have mid to upper 40s in Connecticut, the Hudson River Valley, and extreme northern Pennsylvania. Guess what? Your temperatures are going nowhere today. This is pretty much it. You have a marine air mass in place with periods of showers, an easterly wind. It's going to be a raw, wet day in these locations. A little bit further south, well, it's going to be a little bit warmer over Long Island, New York City Metro, northern New Jersey, northeastern Pennsylvania. You have temperatures ranging anywhere from the upper 50s to lower 70s. Yeah, I know, that's a heck of a thermal gradient. And the reason why is that you have a stationary boundary, and to the south of that stationary boundary, temperatures will be jumping into the upper 70s to mid 80s in the Philadelphia metro and in central and southern New Jersey. Meanwhile, you're going to have that strong marine air mass to the north of you, and New York City metro, you are caught in between. And that's going to lead later on this afternoon to showers and thunderstorms. These thunderstorms will have the potential to be severe, but the real severe potential for thunderstorms this afternoon, especially after 1 o'clock, is going to be over central and southern New Jersey and much of eastern Pennsylvania, from Hazeltown on south, and for about basically, let's say, Newark on south. There's going to be a threat for strong to severe thunderstorms. These thunderstorms are going to be capable of heavy downpours, frequent lightning, wind gusts over 60 miles per hour, small hail. So obviously there's going to be a threat for wind damage, power outages, hail damage. Not going to be a pretty afternoon. Do not be surprised if you see severe thunderstorm watches go up over portions of the Delaware River Valley as a result. And you can really see the dynamic difference in the winds here. Currently you have your stationary boundary sinking a little bit further south, but there's an area of low pressure exiting, and that's due to the rainfall from this morning. But notice these winds are starting to back to the south again and over the southwest over portions of the Delmarva Peninsula. And that warm air is going to charge northward, let's say from about Monmouth and Middlesex County over to Mercer and on south. Meanwhile, if you're in the New York City metro, you could literally be in the upper 50s on the north side of Manhattan and lower 70s on the south side of Manhattan, depending on where this boundary sets up. So a real interesting day in terms of meteorology, but as far as you are concerned, it's going to be a very stormy afternoon and potentially dangerous afternoon for the Philadelphia metro and portions of the southern New York City metropolitan area for this afternoon and evening. On the radar, you can see the showers from this morning and some rather impressive thunderstorms too earlier this morning are exiting the region. That's our first low pressure system. Here comes our second cold front. Now this part's going to collapse as it's racing out ahead of the cold front. But I'm going to show you something on the water vapor that definitely caught my eye that we're going to worry about for later on this afternoon. But you can see right now we're in a nice little dry spot for the morning rush hour, thankfully. But here's what I saw on the water vapor satellite picture that caught my eye. You see this strong disturbance here? This little shortwave with this low pressure system is tracking right towards the northern mid-Atlantic, right towards where temperatures are going to be in the 80s. So it's really unstable atmosphere, cold dry air aloft, strong lifting, you have shear, this is starting to get a little bit stronger. All this sets up an environment where you get a line of strong to severe thunderstorms marching through the region. Look for an impact basically from 1 p.m. to about 7 p.m. for the New York City metro and 1 p.m. to roughly about 11 p.m. for the Philadelphia metro. During that time period, these thunderstorms will be capable of developing out ahead of the main line and without much notice. So definitely be on guard for that. And definitely be prepared for a wide range of temperatures as you move north and south of the region. If you're starting your day in Connecticut and in Philadelphia by the afternoon, you basically are going from winter to summer as you go south. So definitely a rather dynamic atmosphere set up with the potential for some rather impressive thunderstorms. I don't see a tornado threat with this at all. Not enough strong wind shear. But it is something that, of course, I'll be keeping an eye on throughout this afternoon, and we'll be updating on Twitter as much as possible. So then once this cold front drops through, it actually will be pretty nice for tomorrow morning. Well, clearing skies, temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 40s in the suburbs and upper 40s to lower 50s in the major cities, in the urban areas. And then for highs tomorrow in the lower to mid 60s with low humidity. So overall, not a bad day. So let's dive into this forecast. Again, for this afternoon, just a mess. Showers, strong to severe thunderstorms, a very active day throughout the northern mid-Atlantic. Again, if you're in basically north of New York City, just look for showers with some heavy downpours. Around New York City, look for a wide variety of temperatures with the potential for some strong and isolated severe thunderstorms, especially if you're on the warm side of this boundary. And then the Philadelphia metropolitan area this afternoon, strong to severe thunderstorms that could be rather impressive. That cold front drops south tonight, and then by tomorrow morning we have clearing skies with temperatures in the mid to upper 40s in the suburbs, upper 40s to lower 50s in your urban areas. For tomorrow afternoon, high pressure is in control with highs in the lower to mid 60s. On Thursday, another area of low pressure will approach with periods of showers Thursday afternoon on through Thursday night, ending Friday morning. Temperatures on Thursday will be rather chilly, especially for this time of year, as we have a marine air mass with an easterly wind in place. Look for lows in the mid to upper 40s, highs only in the lower to mid 50s. On Friday, that low pressure system exits with showers in the morning, followed by clearing skies towards the afternoon. Look for temperatures to range from the lower to mid 40s for lows and mid to upper 50s for highs. High pressure will be in control for Saturday and for Sunday with excellent weather conditions in place. Look for lows in the mid to upper 40s, highs in the lower to mid 60s. Overall, a rather pleasant weekend on the way. For Monday, another area of low pressure approaches with periods of showers for Monday and for Tuesday. Look for temperatures on both days in the upper 40s to lower 50s for lows and lower to mid 60s for highs. That's your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NY and JPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.